Hare Krishna. This is the trailer of Mahabharata stories from Chitraratha to Pandavas. You will know the names of very interesting stories in this episode, Book 1, Chapter 2 of Sangraha Parva. It is a good chance for everyone to watch this special trailer. Don't miss it. You can type from YouTube as 2-minute Mahabharata stories and watch all these previous episodes, which many are watching and appreciating it. After escape from Lakshagriha, the story starts now. Through Pandavas, we have learnt many morals for our everyday living. Can we recollect those stories? Started with demon Hidimba and Baka. Then came Kumbinasi, who is Chitraratha wife. We saw Arjuna's Chakshusi Vidya. Remember Manu in the Bible and history of mankind was the author of this magic art. Later, Soma and Vishwavasu learnt the same. Also, Chitraratha gave many chariots and horses to Arjuna. In return, Arjuna taught Chitraratha the secret of the missile Agnisira. They both became friends. Chitraratha said many stories to Pandavas. The feud between Vasishta and Vishwamitra, story of Thapati, Samvarana, and tales about the sage Parashara, Kalmashapada, Adrishyanti, Bhargavas, Krutavirya, and Aurva. At last Chitraratha advised the Pandavas to have a priest for the sacrificial rites, and it was that they engaged Dhaumya. I have told this story in my previous episodes. So, Dhaumya became family priest for Pandavas. Since Arjuna has destroyed all the chariots belonging to Chitraratha, the latter got a name Bhagnaratha, that means devoid of chariots. Chitraratha admitted that Arjuna could conquer him because of his vow of celibacy. In chapters 165 to 183 in Adi Parva, this is shown clearly. We should know epics are completely real. It does not end with Satya Yuga or Treta Yuga or Dwapara Yuga or even Kali Yuga. Let us see it in detail of Chitraratha, the Gandharva. He attended the birthday of Arjuna. This is clearly shown in Sloka 52, chapter 122 at It is said in chapter 52, Sloka 23 at Vanaparva. When the Gandharvas milked the earth during the time of the Emperor Prithu, Chitraratha acted as the calf. It is said in Sloka 39, chapter 6 in Harivamsa Parva. There is another incident. Shiva once sent Chitraratha as a messenger to Asura Shankachuda with a message that Sankachuda should abandon his satanic activities. It is shown in Devi Bhagavata in Navamaskanda. So, hope you have enjoyed with Chitraratha stories, who is also called as Angaraparna. Also, don't forget that we are talking about Parvas. Firstly, we saw Anukramanika Parva. Second is Sangraha Parva. Then comes Paushya and Pauloma. Continues with Astika Parva and Adi Vamsavatarana Parva. Then comes Sambhava Parva with thrilling incidents. Then we saw Jatugrihadaha Parva, that is, setting fire to the house of Lak, which is in Lakshagriha. Then we saw the story of Idhimbabada, also Bhakabada. Then came with Chitraratha stories, which we have completed today. Many have missed some stories. They keep asking about Parvas. So kindly keep watching each previous episode. Don't forget to give thumbs up and good comment. By this, you will also remember that you have seen that episode. Also, it would be a motivation for others. Also, share the good information to others and ask them to subscribe it from YouTube. The next Parva is very interesting. It is Swayamvara, that is, selection of husband by Panchali, who is Draupadi, in which Arjuna, with his Kshatriya virtues, won Draupadi for wife. Let us see how this Swayamvara took place. Kings and princes thronged the stadium eager to compete for Draupadi. She is King Drupada's fire-born daughter. Drupada had put a revolving fish-shaped target high on a pole, and the archer had to shoot by looking at the target reflected in a pan of oil below. Many princes tried and failed. When it was Karna's turn, Draupadi exclaimed, "He is just a charioteer. Send him away." But Duryodhana said Karna was king of Anga. Still, Karna said he didn't want Draupadi anymore. Let us continue and see what happens next. Don't miss it. Thank you for all your encouragement by giving me good rankings till now. Good day to all of you.